Good morning, friends. Happy Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. It was a holiday, Memorial Day, so we didn't have school yesterday. I hope you had a great weekend. All right, so we have a couple of dates to write since yesterday we didn't write in our calendars. So yesterday was the 25th, today's the 26th, but we have 23, 24, 25, 26. 4 dates to write, okay? This is how you write today's date, since today is the 26th. 5-26-2020. We do have a new sight word, but it's not one that you need to remember for the assessment, for the test that we're going to be doing this week. Mrs. Naruki and I will be showing you your sight words to see if you know them. And please just remember, if you don't know them, they're just words that you have to practice. If you know them, great. Okay, my friends, no need to worry. So our sight word that we're going to be working on today, this week, is has. Has. I'll get to that one in a moment, okay? And our new digraph is WR. It says R, just like the R, but it's the W and the R together. R, as in wreath. Okay, I'll go over some more WR words in a moment. And today you are 163 days smarter, friends. All right. So let's look at our daily checklist. Our digraph WR and a picture of a wreath to remind us, and sight word has, HAS. All right, so if we look for today, it says Tuesday, May 26th. We have a poem today, we have a has page, a writing page, and, math page, then writing page. We're starting subtraction. There is a separate subtraction video, okay? So be sure to watch that one. All right, so let's look at our poem first. I'm going to show you all the sight words that I highlighted, and then I will read it to you so it flows better because it's hard to read it backwards. See, so to me it looks backwards, so I have to look like this, okay? We have sight word. Oh, I am a little hermit crab. So I drew a hermit crab. I posted a video on how to draw a hermit crab on Seesaw, but I will draw another one here for you in a moment, okay? I highlighted I for a, is my, the, I have, a, is and, my, I go. All right, so let me read it to you. It says, I am a little hermit crab. That's the title. I am a little hermit crab looking for a new home. Here is my old shell. The old one I have outgrown. When I find a new shell that is big and strong, my friends will join me as I go along. All right, TK friends. So let me show you how to draw a hermit crab. Let me grab something. Okay. So you can make the claws first. That's what I saw in the video. So they look like little upside down U's. Okay? Little upside down U's, okay? And then it looks like little triangle parts but without the bottom. That's like the claw part. Ah! Alright, and then I did the head. So that line first. And then like a little mountain, a little hill. Okay, and now for the shell part. You go up and around, almost like another big hill. And then one that's a little bit smaller. And then the last one has like a little curve at the top, showing you that it's like a shell. Okay? And then we have a little smile, and little eyes. Okay? And there you have it. A little hermit shell. Oh, I did forget those little squiggly zigzag lines, didn't I? Okay. Zigzag, zigzag. Zigzag, zigzag. Showing you that the claw's open and shut. I didn't draw the other little legs because you can tell that it's a hermit crab because of the shell that it has behind it, okay? All right, so like I said, there is a video on Seesaw for that, okay? Okay, so let's move on to our has page. All right, TK friends, has, you start H at the top, go down and go around. Top, down, up, and over. I didn't pick up my finger. Now the A. All of you know how to write the A. A, S. And then the S. It's the trickiest letter, I think, because even it never comes out the same when I do it. It stays in the vanilla. A stays in the vanilla. Most of the H is in the vanilla, but you start at the top, go down, up and over. Okay, color it, find it, and try it by yourself. And look what I mean by my S. That S looks very different than that S. But it's still an S, okay? Try your best. Try your best. If you remember one thing that I've told you all year is try your best, okay? Teachers and parents always know when you try your best, okay? And let me review some WR words before I read you what I wrote, okay? So let's see. We have a wrench, which is a tool, wreath, wrestlers. Oh, no, sorry, wrestle, wrestlers as well. Right, wrinkles, wrap. Sorry, wrapping. So wrapping paper, wrist. This part of your hand. It's called your wrist. That's where you wear a wristwatch. This is not a clock, although it looks like a mini clock. It's called a wristwatch. Let's see, shipwreck. Oh, it's one of few words that has a WR in it. Shipwreck. Okay. Wreckage is like when there's like a crash and there's like leftover car. Oh, this car looks like it's on top. It's like flipped over. It's called wreckage. Okay, usually refers to a car. Could be a ship, a wreckage. Wriggle, like these little worms in the can are wriggling. Wriggle. I know. So if I take the W off, it makes a lot more sense, doesn't it? Wriggle. But these words have the W. It's a silent letter. As most of our digraphs that we've learned, that's what's happening. If the second letter gets the sound, okay? Let's see. Pretty much wrap, wrote, okay? You just have to know that the WR says R, just like the R, just like the robot, right? R, okay? The robot card in class, okay? So let me read what I wrote. The title is Christmas. Let's see. I like to hang a wreath on my door during Christmas. It is dark green and it has a big red bow at the top. See, I'm describing it. It's dark green and it has a big red bow at the top. Okay? And I highlighted my WR word, which was wreath. Wreath. Okay? Now, like I said, there is a separate math video, but let me quickly read it to you in case you want to try it before you watch the video. So the directions on this say color, cut, and glue what you need to solve the problem. So at the bottom, there were like 10 doggies. And let's see. It says, Evan saw 5 dogs in the park. 2 dogs went home. How many dogs are left? So I circled are left because that's my clue. That's telling me that I'm going to be subtracting. I'm going to be taking away something. We're not adding anymore, okay? So the way I'm showing subtraction is by crossing out. So he saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dogs at the park. And then it tells the story is telling me that 2 went away, so I crossed out 1, 2. Notice I started from right to left, okay? That way it makes sense in your 10 frame. This is still a 10 frame, okay? So I have 1, 2, 3 doggies left. So the first number I put here in my equation, and this sign is called a minus sign, or a subtraction sign, or take away sign, okay? 5 doggies minus 2 doggies equals 3 doggies, or 5 take away 2 doggies equals 3 doggies, okay? And then the answer statement is, there are 3 dogs left. All right, be sure to watch that video. I go step by step onto how to work that problem, okay? All right, TK friends, see you at Zoom. Bye-bye.